Good morning, YouTubers. So it's 5:30, ready to start the day. As you might have heard, it's going to be quite a windy one today. Oh, it's going to be fun to work in today, isn't it? It just feels like winter already. And a dangerous day, that's for sure.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading.
Morning, YouTubers! So it is Friday and it's going to be a windy day. Definitely a windy day. So yeah, we will see uprooted trees today, I assure you of that. If we don't, I'll give an apology at the end of the video. So yeah, just on the train. The only one on the train, which is good, I suppose, in the world we live in at the moment. Yeah, I'm just so happy it's Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. Just waiting at the garage. About to go in. Hi Jace.
Hello, mate.
Definitely have got that Friday feeling, that is for sure. And he's getting out the old van! Not so windy up here. We're at the old church again. Like it up here, it's nice and peaceful. Definitely not as hot as it was last time. I said too long, so it's going to be quite an easy cut. So let's crack on. I see you. I tried in dog shit. I'm not happy about it. Wiped as much off from the bottom of my rugger boot as I can. It's not something you expect when you're in the church, really. I don't know whereabouts I stood in it. Didn't notice till I got back in the van. It's not on the pavement or anything, so I just don't know where the bloody hell it come from. It's not what you want on a Friday.
The silverback gorilla emerging from the bushes as it burrows its territory. Watch it as it paces back and forth, looking for its next meal. But not all silverback gorillas are in fact this hairy.
So we're at our second job. Old marina, it's going to be anyway. What we've been doing here is strimming, topping with the tractor. The tractor up there. As windy as I thought it was going to be today, to be honest. You have the odd gust here and there, but nothing too extreme.
Look at those! God, they're going to fall down! That is windy!
What's that, mate? That tree's going to fall. Oh, look at that. A tree has fallen down because of that wind. I did say to you, a tree was going to be falling. And I'm right. Just finished all the strimming that I've had to do. Jason's off spraying in the distance. See him? Where's Jason? There he is. Is he happy? Should be. He's off all next week, lucky sod. Will he wave? Yeah, it's been a long day. We're glad we're at the same time. Right, back to it. Got to use my new toy again. Got that down. All fun and games. Oh yeah! Job completed! This man is on a roll! Who ate all the pies? Who ate all the pies? What's your eyes? Is that coming this way? Will it be coming this way or the other way? This way, won't it? Yeah. It's the wire. Yeah. He's just spinning out his push like that. Yeah. Better not get the number plate in. That is one big thumbs up to all my subscribers.